Hello guys, I'm Halen Quiz to tell you in these tutorials how to recover your email ID without having registered the recovery mobile number and recovery emails. As we know that in a case, this video will be very useful when someone who has changed your password, stolen your Gmail ID, hacked your Gmail ID, hijacked your Gmail ID. How do you find out? We will see in these tutorials live. Yes, here is a clue that we did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is mine. Yes, this ID has been recommended by my one viewer to recover quickly because unfortunately he lost his device today. So we will see live here. Easy way we will try to recover this particular ID, and upon of course we will try to create this strong password without having the password, without having the alternative number, without having the especially email recovery. So you will, if I go for try again here, this particular ID, of course we have options to our next, and now we have a try another way, and second we have option that is the next. So just we will go for try another way. We don't have a password, so definitely we will have to go with this ones. Now here we don't have a phone number, so we will click here. We don't have, otherwise if we have, then we can go for continue. Now it's saying they couldn't sign in. So at the moment if I go for try again, once again 1 to 2 times, then one platform will be open for especially by virtue of Google that you will have to give the alternative email and along with simultaneously or spontaneously some endorse documents, proof, evidence on the basis of Google will justify that you are a genuine or not within 48 hours. If it is justifiable, then of course it will give you an opportunity to reset your password or create the strong password. If you don't, then of course if it doesn't belong, then it will not give you. But we have another clue also, that how can I access. Yes, we will come in a Play Store and simply we will have to write AI browser, guys. This is especially of course here. Why that? We have to do nothing and easily we can. So see, it has started to download. On the other hand, what we have to do, we will have to come especially on Google product and hold your Google browser, click on a help icon, and here we would be landed. Allow notification, we will have to make it blocks, fans. Now we will back, and of course we will come the permission, navigate the location, guys. So just we will click on here, make the precise location that should be a disable, and click on here. It will ask you that if you deny this permission, basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. For time being I'm doing it, so just we will click don't allow me. Yes, we will cut it from here. Once again we will come the Chrome here, hold this Chrome, and of course we will click on a help icon and directly we will be here notification. Yes, as usual we will make it block, and of course we will go for in the permission. As usual, navigate the location, we will make the precise location disable, then go for don't allow, and here similarly the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended, so don't allow anyway. We will have to click, so don't click on a cancels. Now we will back, and of course one more time we will back and remove permission if app is unused files. Now we will come here more time, back, and yes, we will cut it from here. Then once again we will come in a Chrome, hold it. Yes, we will come in a help icon, and thereupon of course apps the browser. Here see browser app, we will have to the clicks, and we'll go for AI first one, and of course we will click here, and thereupon of course we will open this browser. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, we will go for try. So now see, it's loading. Just wait, we will have to have the good configuration by virtue of this browser, so it will take scarcely 1 minute. Now almost we have done, guys. Here Now what we have to do, just simply we will have to click on this here in search options. Just we will go for, let it cancel, and thereupon of course we will write here Google. Just let me, this keyboard will be open, and we will write here Google co.in. See, according to your the requirements and the country code, you can go for co.in, and now we will go for in a search. So see, it has started to open, and here we have option green signs to sign in. Simply just we will click on here. Now we will have to write this particular ID, that is of course, and of course we will go for next. So now see guys, here it's asking once again the password, so just we will go for, now here is giving alternative options, that verification on the particular phone. So just we will go for try another way, we don't have. So now see, here is giving number that you can get OTP, we don't have. So just we will go for skipping. Now it's also saying that couldn't sign in. So similar platform will be open, and by giving the alternative email with some endorsement or documents or evidence proof on the basis of Google will notify to you within 48 hours, and you will have, if genuinely on the basis of your justification, if really it belongs to you, then you will have an opportunity to create. But don't worry, if you would like to have the quick ones, then we will get it from here, and of course we will come to setting guys, no problem at all. After coming to setting, yes, simply we will come to Google service. So where it is here, Google service. Now we have a 3 dot, see at here. Now we will click on a help icon, and thereupon of course here we can go for can't sign in Google. Just we will go for here. Now we have an opportunity that you forgot your password, then you can reset. You forgot your username or email you used to sign in. I know especially emails, name, plus we don't know password, we don't know recovery number, we don't know especially this email recovery. So in that condition we will pick this you think someone else is using. Fourth one we will have to pick, and here after picking, what will happens, see here we have options secure your account. Just see below there, just we will pick it, and after coming here, just to try to review your account activities. So where it is here, see. Now what we will do guys here, now Google account, just we will before find out if your account has been hacked. Here see guys, find out if your account has been hacked. See just at the corner, find out if your account has been hacked. Just we will click on here. So now see, this page has been opened here, account recovery or Google account. So this ID automatically it will be a switch to a security, and thereupon of course see, now we will go for here once again write this particular ID. So let's see, and thereupon let's see, just we will go for next here, and directly see guys, here we would be landed here. So in that condition here, if we are facing this kind of the stage here, then what we will do, simply just we will click on update password, don't go for continue, otherwise once again there will be some query on the basis of you will have to reply appropriate answer. If it is not valid, then once again similar procedure you will have to repeat. So here just we will go for update password, and when we will click here, now we have an opportunity to create a strong password here guys, create a strong password. But before, try to think upon that, click on escape, and there add your alternative number, there alternative email recovery, and upon any times you can reset, you can create, you can of course according to your uncrystallization you can desire the password. right now while the recording, especially we cannot create the strong password here because this is live recording. But this is a similar direction that if you apply and then you can recover it quickly as soon as possible, guys. Otherwise, you will have to wait for 48 hours to recover your ID. There are also different methods, but if you are unable to execute, then try to raise the comment. Of course, I will show you next alternative option also. But this is very smoothly and easy and more reliable. So by virtue of this strategy, you can recover quickly. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. If you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe and share this content. This is only for institution purpose. Don't misuse this tag, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.